Hello, agentpreneurs, and welcome to the daily List Report. I hope you've been enjoying all of the great content on this channel. We have a great show, as always, for you today. We have Mike Simon, our Executive Vice President of Business Development, a regular on the show. He's been on talking about virtual staging, member benefits, Ovation credit, Pad Styler, all sorts of amazing things. His job really is to find companies that we can partner with to bring you amazing technology, great services, easy to use at amazing prices. And so he is really here to serve our agents and all of you out there. Today, we're going to talk about a new product. It's called Instant Videos. What is an instant video, you ask? Well, I'm going to bring Mike on right now, and we're going to talk about this. Mike, welcome back to the show.
Hi, guys. Good to see you again. Thanks for having me back.
Absolutely, Mike. You are always welcome here. You know that. So today we're talking about instant videos. So I'll let you tee this up, and then we're going to show all of you out there exactly how easy this is to get and where we think the value is in this product. But Mike, why don't you go ahead and kick it off and talk about what instant videos are?
Sure. So this is an amazing thing because instant video does really mean instant video. And the reason we like this concept is it very much fits within how ListReports delivers its traditional marketing materials. It's instant, and that's the key word here. So really what these instant videos do is basically allows an agent to select the information from their marketing kit, confirm that, and send it off to us. And in about 5 minutes or less, you're going to get a fully produced, voiceover with your pictures, with your branding, instant video ready to use to promote your listing. It's really that simple. So instead of you having to pick and choose and do a live video and certainly have somebody walk you through the house, this really takes care of everything. It basically is taking static information and turning it into a usable, quick video to promote your property in less than 5 minutes.
Absolutely, Mike. And, all of you out there, we've been talking about content for social media. This is great content for social media. You can put this on Instagram in a story. You can put it on YouTube. You can put it on Facebook. Super easy to get. Mike, what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to show one of these videos so we don't bury the lead here too much. So here's one of these videos. I'm going to pull it up right now, and I'm going to play this. It's about a minute long. Now, what you're missing here, and maybe we'll try to tack one on at the end, is this video actually has full voiceover and full music. So the audio is not coming through in this system right now, but what I'll do is I'll at the end of this video, if you jump to it, we'll tack this video onto the end so you can see, you can listen to the music, you can listen to the voiceover. But what you're seeing here is where it says List Reports, that's going to be your brand. So this is a branded video for you. It's going to have your brokerage logo, and you're seeing the date that it was built and all of these great visualizations about a very specific listing that you have. And this is created, as Mike said, in minutes. And I'm going to show you as soon as this video finishes exactly how easy this is to get. But you can see the graphics here. You see some B-roll, right? So all of this stuff is done for you. You don't have to make any decisions. You just click buy, you get this amazing video, and you get the thank you at the end. You get your branding and your information on this, and what an amazing asset this is for you to be able to market your listings. Now, the question you may ask is, where do I get this? So I'm going to pull this up right here. So all you have to do is log into your dashboard, just like you always do. And this is where you get access to your marketing kits and shareables. And hopefully by now you all know that we have this tab called Member Benefits. And Member Benefits is really the product of what Mike and his team are doing, right? This is what they do every day, is try to find, again, amazing companies with great services that we think are going to add value to your business and get them at incredible prices for you. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see this section called List Reports Instant Videos. And if you click the Buy Now button, you're going to get this little pop-up, and this pop-up is going to say, choose a listing. So your active listings are going to be right here, already there for you. All you have to do is pick the one that is yours, proceed to checkout, put in your credit card, and you're done. Now you may be asking yourself, this is pretty cool. What a great video. This must be really expensive. Well, it's not. It's $7. So for $7, you can come in here, pick your listing, lay down a card, and within 5 or 10 minutes, you're going to get an email with a link to this video, and you can be up and active. So I'd like to think that we made this really easy. I'd like to think that we made this really inexpensive. I'll let Mike touch on this again here in a moment. But for $7, you can get a custom branded, full voiceover, amazing motion graphics video that you can use across the internet. So, Mike, I mean, our shows are usually short for a good reason, right? Because it's not that complicated, right? We've tried to make it as easy as possible.
This is one of those things that somebody described to me, actually Sandra on our team, she described it to me as the candy store concept, where basically it's a point of sale piece where you're checking out and you see the Hershey bar, yes. You say, I have to have that because it's a low price point. You know it's going to make you feel good. You know there's a lot of value in it, and it's so easy to use. And that's really what we saw when we launched this thing last week, Randy. It was unbelievable how fast the take-up was.
Yes,
it was like 30 orders in a couple of hours. And yes. This was with no promotion. So we're super excited about how easy this is. And I will point out that there's a couple more behind this. You know, there's the listing video, and then behind this is going to be the market video and, you know, and then a promotional video. So there's a lot of things coming behind this, all at that low price point of $7. Really fast and easy, and all delivered back to you guys in 5 minutes or less. It's really a winner. We're super excited about this.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. So as Mike said again, we have other video types coming. For now, what a great sort of listing video opportunity. For $7, you really can't beat it, right? I mean, you honestly can't beat it to get a great asset that, again, you should be putting on social media. And keep in mind, you know, one of our firm beliefs with something like a listing video, let's say you put it on YouTube, it's not something that you take down, right? This is something that can live on as part of your proof of production, as part of your extended branding, right? As people are looking in neighborhoods, it doesn't matter if that listing has sold, that asset can live on and can further feed your brand down the line. So I think that's an important point to make here.
Hey, Randy, one other thing I'd add to this is, you know, you can put it on social media. Don't forget about your sphere of influence. You have no idea who's sitting in your CRM or who's sitting, you know, in your SOI that may be interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate. This is a great tool, really, really simple. Add it to an email and promote yourself. Just say, hey, you know, this is a new thing that I'm working on. This is a new listing I got. Just take a look at this quick minute video. You're going to get a lot of engagement from this to your SOI and people who can actually deliver you business. They may not be the buyer right now, but they absolutely will be engaged with this and maybe refer you some business.
Absolutely. Couldn't agree more. All right, Mike. I think that's it. Super simple, right?
Yep, we're done.
We're done. All right, Mike. Thanks for your time again today. Thanks for bringing these amazing partnerships and products to the company and to all of our agents, because I think the value is obvious and I think it's significant.
Super. Thanks again for having me.
All right, Mike. We'll talk to you again real soon.
See you soon, guys.
Bye. All right. Well, there you have it. Instant videos from ListReports, $7 a pop. You'll have it in minutes. It's right there on your dashboard. I'll bring it up again here. You just have to go in, log in, click on member benefits. You can take a look at e-commission, which we've talked about, pad style, innovation credit. We've got our premium shareables here. And what we're talking about today are these instant videos. So with that, we're going to wrap the show. But before we do, we're going to play that 1 minute listing video right now so you can see it in its full glory.
Welcome. You'll find a wide selection of listings. This video is brought to you by your real estate agent, John. This condominium is a great choice for those who want the privacy and easy maintenance of condo living. And it's located in the Irvine area. Currently listed at just under $900,000. It's been on the market since August. This property was built in 2016. And features over 1,600 square feet of living space. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, so everyone has a private space to come home to, as well as 2 full bathrooms. All these great features add up to a property that might be not just your next house, but your next home. Thanks for watching.
Okay, what a great video. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's show. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, be happy, and we'll see you soon.